এটা শুধু একটা ভিডিও না, এটা একটা স্বপ্নের দৃশ্য, যে স্বপ্ন কোটি বাংলাদেশি ফুটবল প্রেমী চোখ বন্ধ করলে দেখে। নেইমারের খুব কাছে যাওয়া, তার সঙ্গে একবার কথা বলা, আর হাতে তুলে দেওয়া বাংলাদেশের লাল সবুজ জার্সি। আজ সেই স্বপ্নই যেন বাস্তবে রূপ দিলেন বাংলাদেশের শাহনুর রুমেন।
Hi Casemiro, this is Rifat Masood from T-Sports Bangladesh. As we are speaking here, right now in Bangladesh it's midnight and there are a lot of Brazilian fans out there. They're right now on the streets celebrating Brazil's win. Will you have anything to say for those Bangladeshi fans?
Thank you very much. Thank you for your support.
Bangladesh.
We are from Bangladesh.
Oh, nice. Thank you, Bangladesh, for supporting us. I see some videos, really nice. Thank you so much.
Did you see the videos from Bangladeshi fans, how they're celebrating Brazil win?
Yes, I've seen a few. I want to say thank you for all people from Bangladesh. We Brazilians, we love you as well. Thank you for this love you are showing for us. And
We are from Bangladesh, and when Brazil scored that,
I saw a lot of videos
goal,
there.
Brazil scored that goal. This is
Wow.
Bangladesh. You see?
Wow, that's
when they
unbelievable.
scored that winning goal.
That's unbelievable. I don't speak a language. I'm sorry, but I want to say thank you very much. It's such a beautiful moment. Thank you, Bangladesh. Thank you. I hope you can come and then big kiss for everyone, big hug. Thank you very much. Keep supporting us. We love you. Thank you.
Thank you.